Hi everybody, welcome to my video. The PowerPoint was too large, so I'm making a URL link so you can access it whenever. The very first thing that I'd like you to do is think about how you make your favorite snack. Think about that process step by step, and we're going to go ahead and continue. Just pause it and start whenever you're ready. As you think about this dessert, think about what sorts of problems can arise if you don't follow the steps. Would it burn? Would it melt? Would it be too gooey? Would it be disgusting? Would it be whatever? Just think about it. Share out with your partner what sorts of problems can arise if you don't follow these steps. So the European Union is pretty similar. It was a step-by-step process. Let's read through it. I'm just kidding. That's really, really long, and we all know that PowerPoints do not need that many words. It's a simple process, really, and to view it, we're going to go ahead and move to a graphic organizer depiction. The European Union started with unrest in Europe, and it moved into some sort of economic system that eventually became the EEC. They realized that that was super successful, so they went into a different sort of system, which ended up being the ERDF. And because these social and environmental issues were being dealt with, they decided to take it one step further, and eventually political power became part of what made Europe the European Union. Now, just for fun, I added this next step with outside influences in the economic crisis, which is leading to our current step where we are in 2013 with unrest in Europe. That was just for fun, but we'll be focusing on this step right here. So step 3, it was success. The EEC was so successful that Denmark, Ireland, and the UK decided to join. Look at these guys. Yay, 1973. The first enlargement from 6 to 9 took place, and then new social and environmental policies came with the European Regional Development Fund that was established in 1975. I'll just wait a minute while it's loading. Oh no. So the recipe for success, go ahead and pause this and discuss with the class. Do you need all of these steps in order to have an ordered, well-functioning power? Are there any steps that are missing? Is this power sustainable? If not, what sort of parameters are there? Economic power plus social welfare issues plus political power becomes success. Is that true? Is that including everything? Is simplification okay, or do we need more? Think about that. Take a couple of minutes. So why did I choose step 3? Step 3 is the game changer, baby. Without step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, none of it would have happened. The European Union as it exists today would not be. It's never been done before. An economic community, sure. That's great as long as everyone is getting richer, and that makes sense. But for whatever reason, in the 1970s, the countries decided to join for other reasons. Step 3 was a game changer. With the implementation of social and environmental policies, completely sovereign countries were relinquishing their power and part of their autonomy so that they could create a, quote, better Europe, unquote. Now, take a minute individually, and I want you to write 2 paragraphs. That first paragraph, you're going to argue how step 3 made Europe better, the pathway to the European Union, a supranational entity, one of the first in the entire world, and showcase its successes. On the other hand, in the second paragraph, I want you to write about how step 3 has led to that chaos that Europeans are facing. We're doomed. If we hadn't even started this, would the situation be better or worse in Europe in this moment? Thank you so much for listening to this video, and feel free to use it as much as you want. Bye.